Hi everyone, welcome to Bodhi Coding. Today we are going to see how to create a dashboard in Tableau that will enable the user to select the measurement that they want to see in the graph. So for that I'm going to use the data set called the Superstore dataset, which is a familiar data set for learning the Tableau, and it can be easily available in the internet. And I had downloaded it my local, and now I'm going to load the data into my Tableau public. So my file was in the XLS format, so I'm going to select the Microsoft Excel option here to load my data set. And I have my data set in my desktop, so I'm going to choose my desktop, and here I have that sample superstore data set. I'm going to load the data set to here. So it will take some time to load the dataset into Tableau Public because my data is so quite large. Okay, so I have my dataset in the orders sheet, so I'm going to drag this into my table area. So it will also take some time. Okay, so this data has contained some sales detail for the regions, segment, and country, city, and has the detail for the sales profit for the every sales. So now we can go to the sheet. Here my goal is I want to show for every region. I want to see what is the average sales and the sum of total sales, and the total sales and average profit for every region. So first I'm going to drag this into the rows. Sorry, I'm going to drag this into the columns. So next I'm going to see the what is the sum of profit for every region. So the same value I'm going to put into the label. So it will show the total profit for every region. And if I drag the total sales for every region, it will separately plot a make a subplot. Uh, okay, so it will separately make a subplot to show the sum of sales, and also I want to see the average. I have to create I have to change this value into the average. So and also I have to see the total sales also. So for each value I have inserted into the row, it will create a separate subplot in the graph. So instead of that, I'm going to provide an option which will show like that what the user want to see in the graph, in a single graph. Whether they want to see the sum of the profit, or sum of the sales, or the sum of average of the sales, and they can select the option what they want, and it will the measurement for the graph will be changed to the corresponding value user selected. uh, so the single graph only show the enough so needed values. So so for that I'm going to create a parameter first. So I have to create a parameter. So I have to rename it to the measurement, and so my data type will be the string. I'm going to give the list option. So here I want to show the three values. So what will be the sum, total sales, average sales, and total profit. So this also so this will be the value which is passed to the measurement value when the user is selected, and this is the display value which will be showing to the user. So I had created the measurement, and so my default value, we can have any value, so it may be total sales or average sales. So when the user has opened the dashboard, what is the user value should be in the measurement, so we can define that here actually. So I'm going to save this parameter, so total sales, total profit, and average sales. Now I'm going to create a separate calculated field. Here I need to, so I'm going to name it like measure. So here I want to provide the data based on the measurement that's selected by the user. So if the measurement is total sales, then we want to provide the sum of sales. And else if the measurement is the total profit, then we want to show the sum of profit. And also if we select the average sales, then we want to show like the average sales here. So I have calculated the equal here. Okay, so okay, I'm going to apply this. Now instead of this separate measurement, I'm going to simply insert the measure here, and also I'm going to show this parameter to the user. So when the user click the values, it will be changing based on the value. Okay, total profit has some issues. Okay, so I'm going to press the edit option and total profit. So this is the exact value we have to give in the calculated field. Total. Okay, I had missed the T, so that is why it's showing the error in the graph. So again I corrected this and applied this, so it came here. So and also the measure I had given here, so the values came here. And if I created a separate sheet for this, the region in the rows, in the columns, and the total sales, the total profit, and the total sales, total average sales. So if we see here, the average sales for the central region is actually the 215.77. So if we go the sheet we have created, there itself the average is sales for the central is 215.77. So instead of giving these three variables in subplot graph, it will have a best value in the dashboard. So we are going to provide the option to the user, so they will select the value that they want to show in the graph. The graph will be changed based on the value the user selected. So I will show the difference in the dashboard. So I'm going to create a separate dashboard. So in that I'm going to drag this first sheet, so which we have option here, and I'm going to create another dashboard. Here I'm going to have the second sheet which we don't have the option. So in this the graph will be have a very confused values. It will not in the proper order. So in the first dashboard it will have a single graph, and what they want to see we can select it here, and it will be the graph will be changed based on the measurement we are selecting in the parameter. Yeah, and thanks to all.